Right then, gentlemen, let's talk plainly. If you're over 60 and struggling with performance, you're certainly not alone. Erectile dysfunction is incredibly common as we age, but there are ways to give yourself a natural boost. Now, I'm not saying supplements are a magic fix. Nothing beats proper medical advice. But if you're curious about natural options to support your bedroom performance, here are the top 10 ED supplements that might just help. Let's start with vitamins and minerals. While none of these guarantee a cure, a few stand out in the research. Vitamin D, for example, is essential for overall health, and low levels are linked to ED. If you're deficient, topping up your vitamin D could potentially help, particularly if you've got circulation issues. Then there's vitamin B9, or folic acid. Low folic acid is also associated with ED, likely because it helps manage homocysteine, which affects blood flow. It's not a miracle, but it might give you a small nudge in the right direction. Vitamin B3, or niacin, is another one. Some studies suggest it can reduce ED risk by lowering bad cholesterol, but, again, more research is needed to prove its power. And don't forget zinc. It's crucial for testosterone production, which affects libido and erections. Animal studies look promising, but we still need more evidence in humans. Moving on to L-arginine. This amino acid helps your body produce nitric oxide, which opens up blood vessels and improves circulation to the penis. A daily dose, somewhere between 1,500 and 5,000 milligrams, has shown benefits for men with mild to moderate ED. Side effects are usually mild, but don't overdo it. Next up, ginseng. Specifically, Korean red ginseng. It's labeled as herbal Viagra because it may boost nitric oxide levels. Some men notice a slight improvement, but the scientific evidence is still a bit shaky. If you try it, keep an eye out for headaches or trouble sleeping, and be careful if you're on blood thinners or blood pressure meds. Now, what about herbal options like maca root or tonkat ali? Both have been used traditionally to support male performance. While studies are limited, some men do report more energy and improved libido. Just remember, results vary, and supplements aren't tightly regulated. Other contenders include tribulus, terrestris, horny goatweed, and fenugreek. The evidence is mixed, but they're often found in ED supplement blends. Last, but not least, always remember, no supplement will be as effective as prescription treatments like Viagra. But, if you're looking for a natural way to support your health, these options could be worth discussing with your doctor. That's my top 10 rundown, gents. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more straight-talking health advice. And remember, always check with your GP before trying anything new. Take care, and here's to better days ahead.